So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in a Pocket and Qwen is back. Yes, you heard it right. Qwen 3.6-27 billion parameter model is released open source and I think it's killing everywhere as they usually do. Flagship level coding in a 27B dense model. As you can see, it's an open source release, improved multi-model capabilities, reliable for developers, lower VRAM usage and agentic coding. The model looks a killer. Following the launch of Qwen 3.6 Plus and 3.6-35B A3B, we are excited to open source a third model in the series, Qwen 3.6, that is Qwen 3.6-27B, surpassing the previous generation open source flagship, Qwen 3.5-297B A17B. The model has outbeaten such a huge model. The model is open source, and here are the benchmarks. If you look here, the model looks quite good. As you can see, compared to Qwen 3.5-27B also, the model looks good. Qwen 3.6-35B A3B also, the model is quite good here. As you can see, it is competing with itself. As you can see, they've also mentioned the performance of Gemma 4 and Claude 4.5 Opus, and most of the time the model is very close to the Frontier model as well. Given the size of the model, I think it looks to be the best out there. It is able to beat out all the existing Qwen models as you can see on the screen, be it Qwen 3.5-35B, A3B2. Looking at the performance, as already mentioned, languages, it's best for agentic coding. It's not a mixture of expert model. Do remember that. Now, this video is not talking about the performance of the model. It looks actually good, but how to use the model for free. Yes, you heard it right. So the model can be used out for free on Qwen Studio. This is the GitHub repo for the model and how to reach Qwen Studio. This is the way. Here you can see that at the top, if you click Qwen 3.6 Plus, 3.6 Max Preview and 3.6-27B is available. The model looks good. Let me ask, hey, what are you doing? Let's see the inferencing and speed, how it operates, but model can be used for free, Qwen 3.6-27B. Soon the API should also be available, so I think everyone would be using that too. As you can see, initiating a warm open conversation. The model is thinking right now and the speed looks good. Just see the speed of thinking. Assessing the conversational context, holding a friendly conversation, initiate a warm open conversation. This looks a killer. If A is B aunt and B is B's uncle, who is A to D? Let me ask you a trick question. So I'm just trying to evaluate the performance of the model right now. As you can see, it is typing a little slowly and it is impossible to determine. It got the trick question. The speed is quite good. It is able to detect multiple tokens as I assume. It is impossible to determine who A is to D based on the information provided. The model is quite good as you can see. It's looking quite sleek given the speed of output is also quite good and you can use the state-of-the-art open source model for mid-size LLMs for free here. A is B's aunt, B is C's uncle, D is never mentioned. So in this way, you can use the fast mode also. You can use the thinking mode also for Qwen 3.6-27B. So with this, it's a wrap. This is how you can use the model for free. The link to Qwen Studio is in comment section below. And not just that, the model is available on Hugging Face also. You can try it out there too. So with this, it's a wrap. Here you can see the Hugging Face page for the model. Just search for Qwen 3.6-27B. You should be able to get it. With this, it's a wrap. I hope you try out the latest model. It's quite small. It can fit in your consumer grade GPU too. Thank you so much. Have a good day.